points I wanted to briefly emphasize. Don't worry, I am showing them separately. Just a list of them is presented here. Read good books that provide positive motivation. Many a time we waste our time reading things merely for entertainment. Simple reading with no consequence. Doesn't make us think. Does not add any knowledge to us. But just killing time. Even if you don't read also, no problem. Even if you stop the book in the middle also, no headache will come. We waste a lot of time doing unnecessary things. That's why I said read good things that will improve your confidence level. Ensure the company of positive people. Many a time we find some of our own friends and relatives are a bit negative. For example, say someone says, "Sir, I want to prepare for IAS." IAS, health college like a talloki. Group 2 Why do you discourage a person? Give proper advice. Don't mislead. I want to prepare for IAS. Good. What works you have got? What are your special interests? Do you have a group of friends who are going to study seriously? Next 2 years, you have to sleep only for 6 hours per day. Can you put in 16 hours of study for the next 2 years? Good. God bless you. Go ahead. That is positive. ఏడవుతుంది వల్ల ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఏపీఐ ఫెయిల్ అయితే ఇజ్జత్ పోదా మనకు. ఏమనుకుంటారు మన ఊళ్ళో? వద్దు చిన్నది పట్టిపోయింది ఎందుకు ఇదంతా నెగటివ్. You need the company of positive people. If you are in the company of negative people, you will be discouraged. If you are in the company of positive people, your motivation will be higher. Develop a positive attitude. That is the purpose for which you must read good books and be in the company of positive people. Be active. Be proactive. Never be dull. If someone looks at you, they must feel that a healthy, vigorous, experienced, confident person is in front of them. Otherwise they will say, "Ayo papam neerasanga unnaru manam pani chepte em chestara allu odilipette raadu." Do you attract people like a magnet or like a mosquito repellent? You send people away from you. Are you able to follow? Like a mosquito repellent, you send people away. Nobody will turn towards you, and if they look at you, they will think, "Arey, sure, nakko yaar, unko chood, unko bula, unko nakko." No. Even if you are there amongst 100, a cinema undu ఒక్కడు అందరిలో ఒక్కడు. మహేష్ బాబు గురించి ఫ్యానా నేను ఉంటే చెప్తున్నారు. ఆ సినిమా పేరు చెప్తే అట్లా అనుకుంటావేనా? Be a self-starter. Become action-oriented. Don't wait for some other person or some set of favorable circumstances to come into your life. Start on your own. Feed your mind with confidence-filling thoughts, not with diffidence-filling thoughts. యుద్ధానికి పోతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక అర్జునుడిని గుర్తుకు తెచ్చుకో, ఒక ఆంజనేయ స్వామిని గుర్తుకు తెచ్చుకో. అర్థమైందా? దుర్యోధనుడి, దుశ్శాసనుడి, చచ్చిపోయిన కంసుడిని, చేతగాని శిశుపాలుని, వాళ్ళని కాదు గుర్తుకు తెచ్చుకోవాల్సింది. Whose names and whose inspiration flashes on your mind and motivates you, that is going to make a difference. Improve your self-esteem, self-image, and thus your self-confidence, which leads to self-development and all-round development, impliedly leading to success in any endeavor of yours. Practice the habit of living in the present. Many a time we are so ambitious, we are dreaming about the future and living in the future, impossible. We are worried about the past and weeping about the past, which is useless, and we are missing the present in the process. So never miss the present. That means do the maximum in your present. Avoid procrastination. That means delaying, postponing things, etc. Improve your time management skills and life management skills. Model yourself after successful people. Who are the leaders in your area? If you are having a business, who are the business leaders? If you are in teaching profession, who are the most popular teachers in your college? If you are a student, who scored the highest mark in the entire history of the college? For example, someone scored 87% marks in 1998. Okay, I will score 99% marks this year. 2009 March, my name must appear there. Who are the successful people? Who are your role models? Discuss with your seniors, discuss with your colleagues, discuss with friends, discuss with elders, discuss with others and so on, and find out how you will be able to improve. Move out of your comfort zone and move into the challenge zone. Repeatedly doing the same thing every day may improve your confidence marginally, but will not improve your creativity. Confidence being improved is okay, but that is inadequate. Unless you have knowledge plus skills plus wisdom plus this creativity, you will not be able to do things differently and come up in your life. Set your SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals. I'll give you a very simple example. Is there anyone here who has got some prize, say in elocution or debating competition at the school or the college level? Koi hai?
Yes.
What prize? At which stage?
State level, first governor prize.
State level. Yes. Which year? Kab tha wo?
2001.
2001 state level, first prize in some essay, elocution competition, essay writing competition, something he has got. Wonderful. What's your name?
K.C. Mohanty.
K. Simha?
Mohanty.
K.C. Mohanty. By Simha samjha bhai. K.C. Mohanty. Now right. Mr. Mohanty is here. Let's say I ask him now, out of a 10-point scale, 0 to 10, what is your confidence level about your oral communication skills?
Okay.
What's your answer? Huh?
8.
8 by 10 is your score. Good. God bless you. My point is, today we are discussing this on 4th February 2009. Right? 30th June 2009, I will give myself 9 by 10 as the score. Decision. A goal. How to improve my score from 8 by 10 to 9 by 10? What books I have to read? How many hours I have to practice? Can I create a small group of people who are interested in developing their oral communication skills and then dedicatedly do half an hour or 45 minutes every day set apart for that? So, by 30th June, I must be able to say confidently, sir, my oral communication skills, my score is 9 by 10. I improved it from 8 by 10 to 9 by 10. If you don't have a goal and if you don't practice, on 30th June I will ask you the same question. You will again say 8 by 10 only. 2010, 8 by 10 only. 2015, 8 by 10 only. You will remain at 8 by 10. How can you improve your confidence? It is constant dedicated practice and goal setting that's going to make a difference. Prepare your very own MAP, M-A-P, that means MAP, my action plan. What is your action plan? 13th point is implement, review, revise, replan, re-implement and re-review. Conquer doubt, fear and anxiety. Whenever we are doing anything, first thing that we are likely to have is doubt. Hoga, nahi hoga. Kar sakte, nahi kar sakte. Nahi kare to kaisa, log बुरा मानेंगे अपने को. Some sort of hesitating mind, the fear of loss or fear of failure and the anxiety and the tension. I don't know, you are trembling, your hands are trembling because you are not very confident. Otherwise you will be very confident. So conquer doubt, fear and anxiety and control your anger. Is it that easy? It's not easy. Why anger must be controlled? Because the moment you are angry, you are losing the balance. When you lose the balance, your confidence level comes down. For example, as I said, first shot I have lost. I am angry. Finish. I lost my energy already. I lost my spiritual energy. I lost my confidence. It's all right. He has got the first one. Come on. Come on. Do you get my point? A smile, enthusiasm, it improves the chances of facing it correctly. But if I am jealous, if I am angry, if I am upset, Finally, exercise and meditate to keep going and growing. Because physical, mental and spiritual energies and in right combination are required. They will improve your confidence level. A checklist for you. Look for a good role model and learn from them, depending on the area of activity which you want. Focus on your achievements rather than your failures. Failures are also a reality, but focus on achievements. Learn how to feel good about yourself. Act as if you are self-confident. you will feel more confident. Focus on who you are and what you like about yourself. Prepare thoroughly for any task so that you can be sure you are ready. Work on any skills you need to do what you want. You can never be overtrained or overskilled for any challenge in life. Work on your relaxation skills. You must learn to relax. Always smile and stand up straight. Set reachable goals for yourself and break difficult tasks into smaller steps. Reward yourself when you succeed, no matter how small the achievement. Finally, do not be too competitive or compare yourself with others. Be yourself and accept that life is not a race against others but against yourself. A big thank you for your patient listening. And probably in this blog spot you may find some of my other speeches. And slideshare.net/Viswanadham. Probably this is already there, or in the next 1 or 2 days I will try to upload this presentation. Those of you who have internet connection, go to that site. You are likely to find some 24, 25 of my presentations, and maybe this is also there. Otherwise, before next week, once I am having a small problem with the internet, once that is solved, I will be able to upload this presentation also, and you can easily access that. Okay? Any doubts? Any questions?